Magandang araw Pilipinas! Ito ang Balitang News. Hatid ang may init na ulat tungkol sa mga issue sa loob ng Department of Public Works and Highways. Unang balita, takot silang banggitin ang pangalan niya. Mayor Benji Magalong nangakong ilalantad ang tinaguriang kickback kingpin sa DPWH.
Sino ho ba ang malaking kickback ang nakukuha?
Alam mo, pag tinanong mo sa House of Representatives, alam na alam nila kung sino. Alam nila, nagmamaang-maangan lang sila. Pero alam nila. Ang nakakalungkot dito, bakit parang takot silang banggitin yung pangalan niya? Kaya nga gusto ko na humarap dyan sa House of Representatives, dyan sa inquiry nila para banggitin ko yan eh.
Have you been invited to the House hearing or were you even invited in the Senate hearing, sir?
Yeah, lagi nga nila akong inahamon dyan sa House of Representatives pero wala naman silang pinapadalang notice. And besides, kung nakatanggap naman ako ng notice, with all due respect to the House of Representatives, of course, I will attend. Ganun din, yung sa Senate, wala naman ako natatanggap na any notice whatsoever that I will attend the Senate hearing.
So you're ready, sir, whether it be the Senate or the House?
Yes, I will attend, definitely, kung makatanggap ako ng notice.
Mayor, ang sabi po sa House, kung kayo po ay iimbitahin, maganda po magdala kayo ng mga dokumento and name names. Is this something that you will be able to do in the event that you are invited and you show up, sir?
Well, sabi ko nga that would depend on I will reveal everything. That would depend on their questions. But what is important here is, sabi ko nga, they should not treat me as an accused. They should treat me as a resource person. They should allow me to present deliver my presentation and my message or manifestation.
Sa presentation, sir, would you be able to present documents that will point to corruption doon po sa stakeholders, whether it be politicians, the DPWH, or contractors? If you were to present that in the House hearing, ito po ba makakapagturo na? Okay, go ahead, sir.
Yes, Pinky, absolutely. Siyempre, yun naman ang gusto nila makita, di ba? Useless lang naman kung magsasalita lang ako corruption without presenting anything. So I need to present some proof that there's massive corruption that is happening in various projects of the PWH and also especially sa flood control.
Ready na po kayo doon? Handa na po kayo doon?
Yeah, handa na kami doon. Kaya naghihintay na lang ako ng tawag nila.
Opo. Mayor, will you be able to name names? Sabihin po natin, politicians.
Yes, politicians.
In Congress?
Yeah, of course, definitely in Congress.
In both houses of Congress?
Hindi ko ganong abot yung sa Senate. Ang abot ko lang is admittedly doon lang sa House of Representatives.
And if you... Go ahead, sir.
I would prefer to, appear sa House of Representatives.